Today we will be making potato and corn chowder. We'll need 4 to 5 medium potatoes cubed, 3 tablespoon bacon drippings, or you can use actual bacon, 1 medium onion diced, 2 cans cream of chicken soup, 2 cans milk, 1 teaspoon salt, chopped parsley. Now after we've peeled the potatoes, we'll cut in half and then cut in quarters, and then we'll start cubing it. After this, we'll go ahead and take our 6 pieces of bacon. If you don't want to do 6, you can do 3 and just half it. And cut this into small 1/4-inch pieces. We're going to need to start on the onion. You want to cut the ends off and peel the outer layer of the onion. This is going to be too rough for us to eat, and we can't use it. This is just a protective layer for the onion. So you just want to peel that off, cut the other end off. We need something to set on. And if you just want to make a couple of slices throughout the onion, this is an easier way to make diced onions. And then you're going to turn it halfway and go the exact opposite. You want to make a crisscross pattern. After you do this, you want to put it on its side and start dicing away. Make sure not to get your fingers.